I get maybe 20 DMs a day on Instagram, brand new DMs a day on Instagram asking, yo, how do I get views? I keep getting stuck in 0 views. How do I find the best niche? Half of you guys are not even in a 0 view jail. You just don't know what you're doing, which is fine. This is how you learn. We've all been there. So this is me teaching you guys how to fucking, not be in that 0 view jail. So let me go ahead and just show you guys and just refresh. This is just one of my channels, not my main channel, but show you guys, pretty much that I'm able to pull views, as you can see here, like averaging at one point 100K views a day. Right now, about 30K a day. 4K a month average within the last 90 days. So, I mean, it's not doing too bad at all. And this is long form. I do recommend doing anything long form. I like to focus on the actual longevity of things, and not just pump out YouTube shorts and just, one day it's gonna print, one day it's not. I know people are retiring and printing a bunch of money, but that's just not for me. So the real money, in my opinion, is with long form content. And yeah, so first things first, when you guys have a channel, you don't need to make a brand new channel. If you have a channel and you just have 0 views, I'm just gonna give you guys some tips and tricks on how to actually fucking not go through bullshit. My cat is actually going insane. First things first, when you make your YouTube channel, you want to have a decent name, like a normal name, a memorable name, like something that people are not going to have to search up like 10 different numbers with a random word. You want to actually have something pretty niche. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, Grok, whatever it is, but you have a name that is normal. You don't want to have all this bullshit in your name. Simple as that. I also recommend having a profile picture. You don't need a profile picture, but if people are going to see your content and then they see it again and they see it again, they're going to be like, okay, I can trust this guy. He has good content. And they just recognize you by 1, the name, and 2, the profile picture. That's the first thing they see if they're going to try to subscribe to somebody, right? Next thing is you want to go over to your settings, whether or not you have a brand new channel or a used channel. Go over to your settings and just copy my settings pretty much. Default units, depending on where you're at. I use US dollar. I'm in the United States. Next thing you want to do is go over to channel. Country of residence, you're going to start off with it blank. I put mine at United States. I live in the United States. A lot of people are trying to tell you don't leave this blank, because if you put United States, you're only going to target people in the United States. That's complete bullshit. This is where you're based. And first of all, if you want to actually make money off of YouTube, you want to target United States, Canada, the Western world, first world countries anyways, because advertisers are going to want to target those people because they have money to spend. And, there's a whole process behind advertisers. I just had a voice crack. So you don't want to fucking put India and have, it's bullshit. So anyways, keywords, I like to think of the keywords as tags. Now for my niche, which is in the crime niche for this channel, I don't put any keywords. I let YouTube actually search for these people, and then they'll just subscribe. That's how I like to look at it. I used to be a dropshipper, and with ads, you would either have specific interest groups on Facebook, or you'll do a broad and let Facebook do the searching for you and find the right audience. And it's as simple as that. We always left it on broad, and we always let Facebook do its thing and fucking find those people that we need to find. So it's kind of the same thing with YouTube. No keywords in your channel. If you do have a gaming channel, probably it's best to have some keywords within that gaming niche. It gives you like a 500 character limit. I wouldn't go anything over 200 to 300 characters. Don't complicate it. Just search up some stuff on either Google Trends about your gaming niche, or on YouTube, whatever pops up, just pretty much copy the keywords and go from there. For advanced settings, you want to put your channel as no, this channel is not made for kids. If you put it as yes, it's made for kids, even though it's family friendly, whatever it is, YouTube is not gonna pay you out, because you're gonna be on YouTube Kids. It's a whole different process. You can make money off of YouTube Kids, but that's not what you wanna be doing in the first place. There's so many more different rules. So no, this channel is not made for kids. I don't care if you're teaching kids how to sing the ABCs. There's no way you should be putting your channel as YouTube Kids, ever. Channel insights, you can just copy these settings. I allow advertisers, brand, and third party to view channel insights, whatever. And you can just copy these, like I said. These are pretty much self-explanatory. Let viewers hype my content. Let YouTube enhance visual quality. Let YouTube enhance audio quality. let viewers clip my content, because that's more views for us, more engagement, more attention on our channel and our videos. I don't disable interest-based ads. I want, like I said, the advertisers to fucking pick and choose what they want. And the next thing you want to do is feature eligibility. Now, if you have a new channel, none of these will be enabled. You want to go ahead and one by one enable these bitches, bro. Standard features, you will have these capabilities. You can add collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists, playlist creation, video uploads. This literally lets you upload a video. So boom, you do that. Next thing you want to do is intermediate features. This lets you customize your thumbnail, live stream, which you don't, I mean, I don't live stream, you can, it does pretty good. And post videos longer than 15 minutes, which is crucial, because if you're going to post good content, chances are they're going to be longer content, and that gives you more money in the long run anyways. And the requirements are either or both. So standard features enabled, which is this, and this usually is like your ID, and then verify your phone number, right? So it's just put in your fucking phone number and you're good to go. And then you want to go ahead and enable with, oh, you don't have to put your ID for this one, but you just need to put your phone number, boom. And then enable your advanced features, which lets you do all of these things. You can read through it in 2 seconds. So you'll need to do steps 1 and 2 first, and then you need a video verification, valid ID, or channel history. So we use channel history. This channel has been running for a minute, and we just got it for like that. It's quicker if you do valid ID or video verification. It pretty much uses AI to see if you've been banned on their platform before. And if you have, you're fucked. Or not. Sometimes you're good to go. It just depends on what you did. But it does delete your ID and all that after, it says, 2 months. So boom, you're good to go there. Next thing you want to do, and I'll go ahead and open up a new browser so I don't leak anything, but you want to search up your niche. So let's say we're going to be running products, or not products, think about dropshipping. We're going to be running a channel that's in the war niche, right? Or let's not use war, that's kind of controversial. Let's say crime. So we're going to look up courtroom moments. And I spelled that wrong. So you're going to have a bunch of these videos that pop up, and you want to go ahead on your channel, signed in. Obviously, I'm not signed in, but you want to go ahead and interact with these videos. So by interacting, you'll go ahead and click the videos. All right.
Southern fried chicken.
Very dramatic.
So you'll go ahead and click on the video. You can either subscribe. If this is going to be your competitor, you might as well subscribe, see what's going and what's working for them. And then you'll go ahead and actually watch the video, warm up your account. You're pretty much warming up your account, showing YouTube that you're not a bot on their platform. And you'll go ahead and comment, this is awesome, blah, blah, blah. Like just some bot comment. Subscribe, actually watch the video, stay engaged, see in practice and learn and study your competition, bro. Because if you're not studying your competition, bro, you're going to lose anyways. So boom, and then you can go ahead, click on their channel, go to their videos, and what is going on? And you'll pretty much just save the winning videos. They're outliers. So all of these videos are going crazy. I would say the 600K view video is an outlier. A 1 million view video. So you'll go ahead, you can either copy the title or copy the link, put it in your notes, and just save it for later. Maybe you can replicate the exact same video and with your own style and stuff like that, and the video will pop off. Like you're not gonna have 0 views if you're replicating a winning video. When it comes to the thumbnail, when it comes to title, we don't ever steal titles or thumbnails. We do our own. So you can steal the exact same video and change the title, and you're good to go. I wouldn't recommend stealing their exact same video. I'm talking about replication. Replicate their videos, replicate their editing style, their transitions, the pacing of the video, and just go from there. So you can have the longest sentences ever given in a court. You don't have to use the exact case. You can find your own cases and go from there. Obviously, this is the courtroom niche, so you don't need to do this niche. I know this guy is printing money. I know he is, because he's not one of our competitors, but I know this guy's printing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no complication. And then whenever you do that, you'll go ahead and just go over to, bro, For You page is insane. Go over to the YouTube, and it'll start giving you stuff in the crime niche now. Now you can start interacting with more of these videos. This Explore With Us, and I will say, they're making $500,000 minimum. I'm just going to put that out there right now. $500,000 a month minimum. So just a heads up of how much you can make with YouTube automation. And they have whole teams. They literally have a team with all different languages in the world. But like I said, you're gonna get a bunch of crime niches or whatever your niche is that you just searched up on your For You page. Go through them, interact, blah, blah, blah. Do this for about a week. You don't have to rush. We grinded for 2 weeks straight, compiling all of our videos, and we have not missed a single upload since like October. We haven't missed a single upload since day one. So with that being said, you're allowed to be patient. You don't have to start today. You don't have to start tomorrow, but compile and do your thing. If you want to post daily, make sure you're able to post daily. Wait and grind out for 2 weeks straight, a month straight, whatever it is, and then you're able to post daily, and then you have a month of buffer because you have all these videos planned out and scheduled out. You have a month to really grind and schedule more videos out. If you want to post 2 times a week or once a week or whatever it is, start having that schedule and you're going to be fine. You don't want to post at different times. We literally post once a day at the exact same time every single day since October, like I said, for this channel. So, like I said, it's not hard. It's not rocket science. It's YouTube. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and DM me down or comment down below or DM me in the description. My Instagram is going to be in the description. I also have a Discord. So if you need a community to grind with, I'm in that Discord. There's a bunch of other people that are in the same space, same mindset. They're going to be in that Discord as well. We're on calls all the time. So join that thing. It's free, obviously. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, we can talk about that with Instagram DMs. Just shoot me a DM. But with that being said, man, that is the end of the video. If you have any questions, like I said, do your thing, man.